Tell us what we got.
The sun,
Okay, what's first?
the Mercury, Venus, and Earth and its moon.
Okay, let's.
And why did you pick that ball for Earth's moon?
Because it holds for craters.
Hold for craters.
And here's Mars, and that's Deimos and Phobos.
Say it again. What are those?
Phobos, this is Mars and Phobos and Deimos.
Which one's gonna crash into Mars? Which moon?
Phobos.
Phobos.
And what's gonna happen to Deimos?
It's gonna fly further.
It's gonna fly away.
What's next?
The asteroid belt,
Okay, that's the asteroid belt. Okay, what's next?
Jupiter and its moons. And this is the great big white spot, so that's Io.
Oh, hang on.
Slow down, slow down.
I'm gonna come on the other side of you.
What are the moons again?
This is Jupiter's great big white spot. And this is Io, that's Callisto, that's Ganymede. What's this one?
Europa.
This is Europa. And then Saturn is ring. And Uranus and Neptune and Pluto.
Is Pluto a real planet?
No,
What is it?
dwarf planet.
Very good. You like the universe?
Yes, I do.
The solar system.
Solar system.
Sorry. Solar system.